Amritsari Chola. So what I did, let me tell you in brief, that these chanas are pre-soaked obviously for 8 to 10 hours, and then I boiled them along with some tea water, khada khada masala, okay, bay leaves, chakar phool, elaichi, some cloves, I don't know you can see or not, and this is a black cardamom. And yes, I boil it for around 3 to 4 whistles. Bring how I make it. Coriander powder, haldi, amchur, thoda sa garam masala, kasuri methi. This is ginger garlic paste on top of chopped onions. This is tomato puree, and this is oil and ghee, okay. And it has, this little jar has some jeera, and these are the boiled chana. Okay, so let's start. So this mixture of oil and ghee, I'm gonna add some jeera pen. And now I'm adding this ginger garlic and onion. So these are cooked, and now I'm going to add this all together in it. Okay. Add this tomato puree. Tomato puree and all the masalas are getting together. Meanwhile, I'm adding very little salt because I've already added some to my chana. So at this stage, I'm gonna add, so here it goes. I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna add some more water to it. I think this much of water is enough. Now let it boil and let it cook for around 2-3 minutes. Amritsari Chole. So this is my way of making it. So guys, कैसी लगी आपको मेरी ये अमृतसरी छोले की सब्जी? Just let me know in the comment box, and do like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you soon with another recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.